So what do we do after we investigate the source? Let's see. We are going to find better coverage. So trick with this is you always need to ask yourself, is this the best I can do? Truly, is this as good as it gets? All right, and if your answer is no, this is not as good as it gets, then you need to find the best option. All right, so you have to think, is there a more reliable source out there that could give you more in-depth, more trusted information? Okay, and you always need to scan multiple sources. Say you find that CNET article first, think to yourself, do I think there's another more reliable option out there? Which plays to this example I have right on the slide. So which is better, right? A CNET article that says Australia's fires have killed over 1 billion animals, or a New York Times article that says how many animals have died in Australia's wildfires. So these articles are pretty much going to contain the same information, but I want you to discuss which one you should really be using in your research and why. So hopefully it was an easy choice for you and you voted for the New York Times article. But now I want you to think about if you were to find a database article coming from an expert in the field that's been peer reviewed for a journal published article. Okay, so it's edited also by more experts and it's fact checked. If you were to find a database article like that, you should be using that over the New York Times article. Okay, so always think, is there another more reliable source I can get the same information from that would be better for me to use for this research paper? Okay, you always have to think about that when you're writing a research paper is, where can I find the most credible information? Which source is the best for me to use here?